What's up, YouTube? So in my last video I speculated that real would do wonders. It has started doing the wonders. It's gone up 14% from the call I made. So congratulations if you bagged real, and if you are yet to, here is why you should. Real's anniversary is 3 days away, and then that is a very bullish move because investors are looking for coin to put in, and real is a community takeover project. I'm not trying to promote real or anything, but this is a coin that I've really observed for a while now, and then it will do wonders. Go check out my last video, guys. So for today, I'll be showing you the AI that I used and I still use to predict most of my 100% ROI, or even 200 or 300 ROI. So it's available on Bybit, guys. So the first thing you do, you click on more. Now you see different options here. You just scroll up, and then you see this Trade GPT. Click on Trade GPT. You click on it and then you let it load. Now this shows you the list of coins that are available on Bybit. So you can click on any of these coins. Let me click on XRP. Now if I want to invest in a particular coin and then I decide to invest in XRP, this AI will tell me the potential trend, the potential move of this coin, starting from the score analysis. So let me click on score analysis here. Now as you can see guys, the followers on X are the one pushing this bullish move on XRP. So it shows you where the bullish move is coming from. Is it coming from fundraising, trends, or the community? As you can see, it's coming from both the trends, fundraising, and community. So this is a very good indicator to buy. Another thing you should check too is the trend. After this fundraising, you click on trends, and then as you can see, the long short ratio, like it's very mind-blowing. The whales are accumulating right now. They are buying more than they should sell. So the difference between the long and short is over $200,000, which is indicating a very bullish move that is yet to happen. So you can see the graph here, the inflow and outflow. The inflow is over a million, and then the outflow is also over a million. So after checking all these things, you then decide if you want to buy it or not, because based on the score analysis, it's showing that XRP has a very strong narrative, and then the community are backing it up, followed by the trends and then the fundraising as well. But this graph is showing that it's going on a downtrend, so it's also an indicator for you to watch out for as well. Click on market trend to see something. So as you can see, the Google Trends, everything you need to know, it's currently on an uptrend, guys. So having seen this score analysis 9.8, and having seen how effective or how much the investors are putting into this token, I think it's a very good thing for you to buy at this spot and then expect a good return. Let's also check for Solana. Solana is currently sitting at $190. So as you can see, check the score analysis too, and then it's perfect. The tokenomics, everything 10.0. so this AI, it grades everything that's happening in the particular developer community of this particular token. So guys, with this whole thing, you can decide whether to invest or not. As you can see, everything here is on a bullish trend, which is showing you that it's bullish. The KOLs here, they are very bullish on this token, so it's just something that you need to put together and then decide if you purchase or not. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe.